Backing up your Salesforce production instance data is a no-brainer, but deciding exactly which information should be kept is no mean feat, not to mention how this end-to-end process is best managed internally. But what if backups could do more than simply backup data? By streamlining and optimizing your team's day-to-day tasks, you can actually glean insights from the data and metadata stored across backups. This works in both sandbox and production environments. As well as ensuring that data and metadata is safely backed up, OwnBackup offers an array of tools to help your team analyze changes, find outlier data alterations, and restore either the sandbox or production org to its initial state all in a few clicks. The in-depth overview on the Salesforce Ben blog will dive into OwnBackup's features, ideal use cases, impact, and the setup effort you can expect. Regardless of the number of environments you are working with as a Salesforce professional, OwnBackup allows you to enjoy the flexibility of backing up sandbox or production data, metadata files, and attachments whenever you need it. Ensure compliance and speed for your development teams. With sandbox seeding, you can easily obtain and precisely seed data to sandboxes using another sandbox or production instance as your data source. In any fast-paced organization, the chances are that both admins and developers are constantly making declarative and programmatic changes. With Metadata Restore, you can increase team confidence in executing and deploying these changes, knowing they can easily be rolled back with just a few clicks. With criteria-based smart alerts for data and metadata updates, you can forget about having to constantly run reports following data imports to check audit trail changes. Of course, we all know OwnBackup as a leading backup and recovery solution, but perhaps now you can see how OwnBackup's additional sandbox seeding functionality can enhance collaboration and empower admins and developers by giving them better control over how they seed data for testing or training purposes. I hope you enjoyed this overview. You'll find the link to this in the description below.